Usilwane boy. Songs from my childhood friends. Rest in peace to the homies who died. Oh yeah? Yes, salute. Scoff. This song is for my religious. Lezi zami ngakhula nazo in the streets zaseDunus. Izinja zami zangenzela ivar before empilweni yami iqala ukusa. Izinja enkulu abo brilliant Mkhatsha was one of my best friends and my top fan at the very same time. He's a realistic nigga ever. Uhlala ngenzela ivar son all the time. Uqwele ka ngisengabheja ngokumfela. Ndayibran naliyena ritlodula likawufela a time. If I'll die tomorrow nimtshele kawule Mr. Create emqwala into eyisikaka. Ngisalutha zonke zami zama primary school mate. Izinja zami ngisanifatela into isikaka. Ngisakhumbula ngenza grade 5 ngintshontshela ama ball pen. Nazo one day nakhathala na decide ukuba i1 angry community. Nangigijimisa thini ngifike edladleni. Ulet lami lanijikisa ngengwembe. Ngisasoke Espanyol Venswana B. Ngifatelwa abothisha nabo misisi ngidumele whole school ukuthi ngiyarapper yena ngicwembu. Ama booze nama drugs ka ungakasiphapheli. This one is for my childhood friends. My 1332's homeboys and girls. Ngifisela konke okuhle bokas. Even though it distance senza singasabi nebond, bodogi ngisaniphethe na no. Yeah, this one is for my childhood friends. My 1332's homeboys and girls. Cough. Banele Khoza was my superhero ka ubeka ngafuni next ngam. Troy Sbu was my all the time G. Always beka hlala khiye ngam. Atshola ulungelo ngitshola umngani wakhona sibapaka lapha epipeline. Studana ngokuphula ama rules wesikela nenja yami. Siqoka amabruka black esikhundleni samabruka grey. I still remember those days when there was no stress and problems. Bekuyithe samba all over the streets sicala ama problems. Khumbula sa-act ama short stories nabo Chico. Push acting song kangakabi poetry di Manu Chico. Ola qeni musa na qeni bilo bo twin nenja ya Mandinho. Makele 7 ngiphethe ngithi salute nonke bo darling. Ngisaniphethe na no akunashintsho fokol. Nxa salute nakule budu scammer noma yangiphazamisa ngiphekwa diba ina flop. Nakwengababalanga ngithi salute as long as you are a childhood friend of mine. Thatha naye yakhe salute. This one is for my childhood friends. My 1332's homeboys and girls. Ngifisela konke okuhle bokas. Even though it distance senza singasabi nebond, bodogi ngisaniphethe na no. Yeah, this one is for my childhood friends. My 1332's homeboys and girls.